Ever wondered why technical project execution often feels like navigating a labyrinth? It's not just you. The complexity of managing various teams, each with their own set of skills and tasks, can sometimes feel like a maze with no clear way out. You've got your project team, your development team, your quality assurance team, and that's just to name a few. And let's not forget about resources. Ensuring the right resources are in place at the right time can feel like a game of chess. Then there are those unexpected issues that seem to pop up out of nowhere, throwing a wrench in your well-laid plans. But perhaps one of the most challenging aspects of technical project execution is communication. With so many stakeholders involved, clear and effective communication is paramount. It's the thread that ties everything together. But what if we told you there's a way to simplify this process? To demystify the process, it's essential to break it down into manageable steps. So let's delve into the fascinating world of project execution. First up, we have the project team setup. This is where you assemble your dream team, each member chosen for their unique skills and expertise. Keep in mind, a project is only as strong as its weakest link, so choose wisely. It's not just about technical prowess, but also about communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and a knack for innovation. Next, we move to development. Here's where the magic happens. The team takes the project plan and begins to breathe life into it. It's like a symphony of code and creativity, with each team member playing their part in harmony. Remember, development isn't just about writing code, it's about creating solutions that meet the project's objectives. Then we have quality assurance, or QA for short. This is the gatekeeper of your project. It's about ensuring that what's been developed meets the quality standards set out at the beginning. Think of it as the final checkpoint before your project goes live. It's here that any bugs or issues are identified and rectified. Now let's talk about stakeholder communication. This is the bridge between your team and the people who have a vested interest in the project. It's about keeping everyone informed, managing expectations, and addressing any concerns that arise. Good communication is the lifeblood of any project, so never underestimate its importance. We also need to consider prerequisites and procurements. These are the behind-the-scenes elements that often get overlooked but are vital to the success of the project. Prerequisites are the conditions that need to be met before the project can proceed, while procurements involve securing the necessary resources and tools. Finally, we have other critical aspects of project execution. These can vary depending on the project, but might include risk management, change control, and project closure. It's about dotting the I's and crossing the T's to ensure nothing is left to chance. Sounds simple enough, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the intricacies of project execution. Now that we've got our steps, it's time to unpack them. Let's start with the team setup and development. This is the backbone of any project. It's about assembling a team that's diverse, skilled, and synergistic. It's about making sure each team member understands their role and how it contributes to the project's overall objectives. It's about fostering a culture of collaboration, where ideas are freely exchanged and everyone feels valued. Next, we have quality assurance. This isn't just about finding bugs or flaws in the output. It's about ensuring that the output aligns with the project's goals and objectives. It's about maintaining a high standard of quality throughout the project lifecycle. And it's about using feedback, both from team members and stakeholders, to continuously improve and refine the output. Then we have stakeholder communication. This is an art in itself. It's about keeping the stakeholders informed about the project's progress, managing their expectations, and addressing their concerns. It's about building trust and fostering a sense of partnership. And it's about making sure that the stakeholders understand and are satisfied with the project's direction and outcome. Now let's talk about prerequisites. These are the things that need to be in place before the project can begin. They could be resources, approvals, or any other conditions that must be met. It's about ensuring that the project has everything it needs to succeed from the get-go. Lastly, we have procurements. This is all about securing the necessary resources for the project. It could be hardware, software, services, or anything else that the project requires. It's about identifying what's needed, finding the best suppliers, negotiating the best deals, and ensuring timely delivery. As you can see, each step plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of project execution. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've embarked on a journey of understanding the ins and outs of technical project execution, and we've discovered that it's a complex but manageable process. First, we've learned that the challenge of project execution lies in its multifaceted nature. It requires us to juggle a variety of tasks, from managing a project team, overseeing development, ensuring quality assurance, communicating with stakeholders, to handling the prerequisites and procurements. The key is to see the big picture while not losing sight of the nitty-gritty details. We then dove into the concept of breaking down project execution into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach allows us to focus our efforts, making each task more manageable and less overwhelming. It's like eating an elephant, we do it one bite at a time. We've also unpacked the steps involved in project execution. We've seen how each step, from initiation to planning, from execution to closure, plays a crucial role in the overall success of the project. Understanding these steps helps us navigate the project execution process with greater precision and confidence. We've also discussed the importance of effective stakeholder communication. Good communication is vital to ensure everyone is on the same page, and it helps to prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Finally, we've looked at the prerequisites and procurements, the building blocks of any project. These are the raw materials and services that we need to get the project off the ground. Understanding what we need and when we need it is critical for smooth project execution. Throughout our journey, we've learned that challenges will come our way, but with a clear understanding of the process and a keen eye for detail, we can tackle these challenges head-on and turn them into opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, the key to successful project execution lies in understanding the process and navigating each step with precision. Until next time, keep executing.